Before buying a field hockey stick, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, SDX RX50 Youth Stick. The SDX RX50 Field Hockey Stick is designed specifically for youth players, and it caught my eye with its bright pink color and lightweight design. Priced at $50, this is a great starter stick for anyone just getting into the game. If you want your child to learn the basics of field hockey without overwhelming them, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The slim handle is perfect for little hands, making it easier for young players to grip and control the stick as they learn stick skills. Plus, the 100% fiberglass construction means it's durable enough for beginners who might drop or mishandle it. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from 60 reviews, it's clear that many find it a dependable choice. Now, some people complained about the stick being too lightweight, which some players might not prefer. Here's the thing though, for beginners, that lightweight feel actually helps them focus on developing their technique without the stick being too heavy to handle. So if you're looking for something durable yet easy to learn with, this is a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an entry-level stick for a young player, but skip this one if your child is more experienced and needs something with more power. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the lightweight design of the RX50 concerns you, this next option might actually be even better for developing a stronger game. Product number 2, SDX Field Hockey Start Pack. Next up is the SDX Field Hockey Start Pack, priced at $109.99. This package includes everything a junior player needs to start, including a stick, shin guards, a bag, and even 2 balls. If you've got a young athlete ready to hit the field, this is definitely worth your attention. What's great about this pack is that it offers a complete setup. The HPR 50 stick included is made of 100% fiberglass, making it lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is just what new players need as they practice their skills. With a high rating of 4.8 stars from 85 reviews, it's clear that this package is well received by parents and kids alike. Here's why this matters. Having all the gear in one go can save you time and money. That said, some users mentioned the shin guards aren't the most durable. Now I'll be real with you, if your child is really rough on equipment, this might be something to consider. But for most casual players, they should hold up just fine during practice. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free way to get your child fully equipped for field hockey. However, skip this if you're looking for advanced gear or if your child is already serious about the sport. Overall, this pack offers great value for new players. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something a bit more refined, check out the next stick that's perfect for beginners wanting to improve their game. Product number 3, SDX X-Ray Wooden Stick. The SDX X-Ray Wooden Field Hockey Stick is another great choice, priced at $41.69. This stick stood out for its classic wooden construction and friendly pink color, ideal for younger players. If you're searching for a stick that helps beginners practice without feeling overwhelmed, this is worth a serious look. The flexibility of the multi-layer wood construction reduces fatigue, meaning your young player can practice longer without feeling sore. With a fantastic rating of 4.9 stars from 64 reviews, parents love how it supports their child's growth in the sport. Here's why this matters. It encourages practice without the fear of making mistakes. Some users pointed out that it might feel a bit heavy compared to fiberglass sticks. But here's the thing for beginners, that weight can actually help them develop strength and control, which is essential in the early stages of learning. This is perfect for you if you have a child just starting out and looking for something that can help them grow. However, skip this if your child is already familiar with more advanced equipment. For the price, it's a fantastic option that balances durability with ease of use. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed for indoor play, the next stick on our list might just be what you need. Product number 4, SDX IX401 Indoor Stick. The SDX IX401 Indoor Field Hockey Stick, priced at $60, is crafted specifically for indoor play. The sleek black, silver, and teal design really caught my eye. If you need a stick that's tailored for indoor environments, this one deserves a closer look. It's lightweight and flexible, allowing beginners to develop important stick skills without feeling bogged down. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 52 reviews, it's a popular choice for indoor players. Here's why this matters for you. The right stick can enhance your performance in games where every move counts. However, some players felt it lacked some power compared to sticks designed for outdoor use. But honestly, if you're focused on mastering indoor play, this stick's flexibility and control make it a great fit. This is perfect for you if you're playing indoor field hockey and need something specially designed for that environment. But if you mostly play outdoors, this might not be the best choice. For the price, it offers excellent indoor performance. Now, if you're ready to advance your skills with a stick that balances performance and learning, the next one will blow you away. Product number 5, STX RX 101 Stick. Finally, we have the STX RX 101 Field Hockey Stick, priced at $75. This teal and black stick is designed for players ready to take their game to the next level. If you're looking for a stick that offers speed and power as you advance, this one is worth checking out. The RX 101 boasts a mix of materials with 10% carbon, which increases stiffness and power without compromising the forgiving nature of the 90% fiberglass. This balance is perfect for players who have moved beyond entry-level sticks and are looking to refine their skills. With a high rating of 4.9 stars from 28 reviews, it's clear that this stick is beloved by rising players. Now, some folks mention that it may take some time to adjust to the stiffness. Here's the thing, if you're transitioning from a more flexible stick, that adjustment is totally normal and can lead to better performance in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're an advancing player looking to enhance your game, but skip this if you're just starting out with field hockey, as it might be too advanced. For the price point, you're getting a great stick that can grow with you. In conclusion, we covered some fantastic options today, from the beginner-friendly STX RX 50 to the advanced STX RX 101. Each has its unique strengths, so whether your priority is learning, indoor play, or power, there's something here for every midfielder. To wrap up, we've looked at 5 great field hockey sticks suited for midfielders, each tailored to different levels and needs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to step up your game, there's an option here for you. Choose wisely and enjoy the game.